Let's tackle one of the biggest questions in the association world. So many organizations kick off their software search by asking this exact question. But honestly, after 25 years in this space, the answer is there isn't one. You see, asking about the best software actually starts you off on the wrong foot. I get this. Nearly half of associations say their last AMS pick just didn't meet expectations. But here's the twist. The software itself usually isn't the problem. It's the process. Best of lists fail because they don't know if you're a small society or a massive trade group. And the data shows the top reasons for switching are a poor match, not bad software. Think about it like sports. A star player in the wrong system won't shine. Software is no different. Okay, so if that's the wrong question to ask, what's the right one? It's this simple shift in thinking, from what's best to what's the best fit. That one little word, fit, completely reframes your entire process. It's a game changer. A great way to start is by figuring out your association's tier. It's based on your budget and complexity. I mean, a Tier 4 group has completely different needs and budgets than a Tier 2 organization, right? So the right process is simple. Know your tier and your needs before you even look at a demo. And the data backs this up. Taking time to define your needs first is the key to success. This might sound like a lot, but the good news is there are free tools to help guide you. First up, there's a 2-minute scorecard to quickly diagnose your current tech situation. This helps you figure out if you actually need new software or just need to fix your current system. Second, there's the AMS Vendor Finder. This matches your specific tier to a qualified shortlist. So you get a list of potential fits for you, not just another paid best-of list. Both of these tools are free to use, no sales call required, just data to help you decide. You can access the entire toolkit for free on the SmartThoughts website to guide your search. So, before you look at any new software, start by answering this one crucial question.